The SI unit of length is meter. The length of a piece of cloth, a table, a room, and so on are measured in meter, but it is inconvenient to measure the distance between two cities in meter. Kilometer is the unit to measure such large distances. Students, it is abbreviated as km. 1 kilometer equals 1000 meters. Thus, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. The distance between Kathmandu and Pokhara is nearly 200 kilometers. Similarly, meter is a very big unit for measuring the length of a pencil. A smaller unit, centimeter, is used for this purpose. It is abbreviated as cm. 1 centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. Thus, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Similarly, millimeter is even a smaller unit than centimeter. It is abbreviated as mm. 1 millimeter is 1/10th of a centimeter. Thus, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. Students, various instruments are used for measuring length. A ruler is used to measure the length of a line segment. A meter rod made of wood or steel is used by shopkeepers to measure the length of cloth. A carpenter uses a measuring tape to measure the length of wood. Now look at the multiples and submultiples of meter. Students, 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And in millimeters, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Similarly, 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. 10 decameter is equal to 1 hectometer. And 10 hectometer is equal to 1 kilometer. That is, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That is equal to 10 to the power 3 meter. 1 hectometer is equal to 100 meter, which is equal to 10 to the power 2 meter. And similarly, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, which equals 10 to the power minus 2 meter. While measuring the length of an object by using a scale, we should be very careful. When we have to measure the length of a rectangular wooden block with a ruler, the following points should be taken into consideration. The ruler should be placed parallel to the length of the side to be measured as in the given figure. If the edge of the scale is damaged, we must not start from 0 mark. Instead, we should start from some other mark. The difference of the reading at the two ends of the wooden block gives its length. In this figure, the edge of the scale are not smooth. In this case, if 0 is taken as the reference point, the length of the wooden block is 4.8 centimeter, but it is 4.1 centimeter as shown in the figure. Students, in this figure, 1 centimeter is taken as the reference point. The eyes should be placed exactly above the point from which the length is to be measured. Students, the meter scale may have some thickness, which may distort the actual scale if the eyes are not placed at correct position. In the given figure, if the eye is at position A or C, the readings are 2.9 centimeter and 3.1 centimeter respectively, which are not the correct lengths. The correct reading is 3 centimeter, which will be found when the eye is placed at position B, that is vertically above the point where the reading has to be taken. Sometimes the scale may not be marked uniformly. In such a case, the measurement of the same length is repeated by placing different markings of the scale each time on the edge of the block. Suppose we have to measure our science book by using such defective scale. The different readings obtained by placing the different readings are such as 4.2 centimeter, 4.1 centimeter, and 4.3 centimeter. The arithmetic means of all the measurements give the length of the object. So, in the above case, the length of the science book is 4.2 centimeter. Students, the diameter of a round object can be measured by using a meter scale. Look at this activity. Take a football whose diameter is to be measured. Now place the football in between two rectangular blocks. Place a scale between the faces of two blocks touching the football. Note down this reading on the scale. Students, this gives the diameter of the football.